Yes. Shall I give a poetic reply to that? The poet has said, "Duniya mein sab kuch aaste aaste ho gaye. Wait and see." What was the issue? ED wanted to raid someone's house. They were restricted. They could not raid. They came to me. I didn't rush into any action. I told them, keep on raiding, unmindful of these rivers. They kept on raiding. His house also has been raided. Other raids are also taking place. The resistance has been met decisively. Second question is arresting the person who prevented them prematurely. That arrest will also be there. If all arrests take place soon, what news will you have? Wait for that news. Let it come at the earliest. But when it comes, let it be done in a foolproof manner that it will stand in the eyes of law. Arrest will be there. Law will be established. Don't be in a hurry. If you act in haste, you have to repent at leisure. Whatever is to be done under the law and the constitution will be done. This is not a promise.